Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can double any apps in your phone. For example, let's try doubling WhatsApps on your phone. So simply start by opening your Play Store. Then after having it opened, simply start by searching Dual Space. So after getting this results, go down here to Dual Space. Then install it. And now that it's been installed, then open it. Then click on Start, then give it permission for your storage, and now that it's been opened, you can see here that there's a button which was meant to add apps here. And here you will find WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, which means they are already doubled. You can also add another app you want cloned, and if you slide down you will see all your apps in the phone you are able to copy. So let's go back to doubling our WhatsApp. So simply press the icon, and now as you can see from here you can put in your WhatsApp number and use it normal. So thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, make sure you subscribe.